Alright, my friends, hope you guys are all doing well today. So, in this vlog, we will take a tour of our new casa. But before we take a peek inside, let's check out the neighborhood. So, our unit is just a downstairs suite, my friends. So, we have two sliding doors. This is the second one off my office in the back. And the other one up front is from Jennifer's office in the living room. And Cece has lots of room to do his business back here. And we're just going to take him for a little walk. So come along, let's go for a stroll in the neighborhood, my friends. So right here, this is in a park right in Coatepec, my friends, and we are overlooking the town. As you can see, it's a pretty big place. Now this here is a little park right in our neighborhood, my friends. It's literally about a 3-minute walk from our doorstep. And this is where the live chickens are. At least some of them anyway. And 1 block over, there's a lot more live chickens, which you will see soon enough, my friends. All right, my friends, wasn't that a beautiful little stroll? We absolutely just love this neighborhood. As you can see why it's so peaceful and tranquil. All right, let's go inside and have a peek, my friends. right, guys, so here you have bedroom number 3. So this place is a 3-bedroom, 2 baths with an open concept living room and kitchen, which we will take a look at very briefly, my friends. Just hang on one second. So I do love the big kitchen that they have here. There's a lot of counter space, lots of cupboards. The only thing I'm not really a fan of is the living room furniture. The futon is actually not that comfortable at all. Other than that, it's a great place. The beds are comfortable. The internet could be faster, but it's free, so we won't complain too much. Well, it's included in the rent, so beggars can't be choosers. And I also love that they have the hood vent with the light. You don't see that very often in Mexico, at least not in any of the rental properties that we've been in. Having lots of light in the kitchen is very important to me. All right, Miss Amigos, that concludes our neighborhood house tour. Thank you so much for being here today. We truly appreciate it. And as always, God bless everybody out there and peace on earth, mis amigos. Hasta luego.